Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to sync audio with video in Capcut PC. So first, when you open your Capcut app, as you can see, let's add a audio right here. Now basically, all you need to do is just click on this icon right here beside the trash icon, which is the auto beat. So we're gonna click on this one, and we have two options here. So if you want beat 1 or beat 2. So for this example, I just want to use the beat 1. And here, once you've done here, so you can see we have some yellow dots right here on your audio. So if we maximize this one, you'll find that yellow dots over here. And it will help you to sync your video on your audio. So let's add some video here. So let's drag and drop the video and just edit the length of that video into that yellow dot. And again, on this second video, again, drag and drop and edit the length of the video, make it smaller. And also on the third video here, let's drag and drop and add to that layer, and let's make it smaller into that yellow dot. Same on the fourth video here, again, drag and drop right here and just change the length of the video. So once you've done right here, let's try and play this video and see how it works. So just click on the play button, and here is the results. So that's how you basically sync your audio with video in Capcut. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.